Your Range Rover is equipped with an electronically controlled transfer case providing high and low range. High range is for on-road driving and off-road driving on dry, level terrain. Low range provides added control in low traction conditions or when low-speed maneuvering is necessary. To shift between high and low range, stop the vehicle, step on the brake. Shift to neutral and push the down arrow to select low range, then shift to drive. The selection is confirmed on the transfer switch and in the message center. High and low ranges may also be selected when underway. Low range may be selected at speeds below 24 miles per hour. High range may be selected at speeds up to 38 miles per hour. The transmission interlock prevents the selection of any gear until the range change is completed. You will also be alerted by the message center to slow down if you try to change ranges above the allowable speed.